We are for gardens and for gardeners.
For tidy rows of green and wild cascades of color.
For the earthy aroma of freshly turned soil and the sweetness of summer's first ripe tomato.
Our highest purpose and greatest joy is to welcome everyone into the garden and to experience the pleasures that await.
Sun-warmed soil sifting through fingers.
The first tiny seedlings emerging in the spring.
A harvest basket filled to overflowing.
The chance to create beauty anywhere.
When we garden, we pause and tune into the rhythms of the seasons.
We share healthy food that tastes better because we grew it ourselves.
We sow a love of nature in the hearts of our children.
We put down deep roots in our homes and communities.
And we become better stewards of the earth.
Gardening nourishes the body, elevates the spirit, and feeds the soul.
We believe the world needs more gardens.
To help feed the hungry,
to shelter wildlife,
to heal the environment, and to create havens of peace and abundance.
Founded in 1983, Gardener Supply is dedicated to planting seeds of knowledge and inspiration in the hearts of gardeners everywhere.
Together.
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 Together. One garden and one gardener at a time.
We can make the world a more beautiful and more bountiful place for all.